This video is going to be all about Sophia Loren's makeup look. As you can see, her liner is lifted from the middle and out, and it's elongated along the lash line. You can see right here that she even adds a little bit of white to create a large eye effect, thus creating a look that translates well in color and black and white film. Isn't she stunning? Let's get started. I'm applying the Clinique foundation. I'm gonna keep my face makeup very simple. I'm setting with the L'Oreal True Match powder in W6. This is a contour hack. Measurement for contour should start from the tip of your ear. So that's the measurement. And then place your finger right there on your cheekbone or underneath your cheekbone, depending on which face shape you have. You grab your contour brush. You dip your brush into your contour shade. I'm using powder. You want to use this method with powder. And let it go. There's your contour. And all you have to do is blend it a little bit more. That's a hack. I'm going to follow the same exact method on the other side, and you see the difference. We are looking snatch, baby. You're probably wondering, how do you blend it so it's not so harsh? You take the foundation brush you use to apply your foundation and you dab it on the outer edge where your finger was. You apply gentle pressure and you blend, and you're complete. Contour complete, no line whatsoever. This is the shade I'm using. I got this blush from the dollar store, and I'm placing the blush above the contour so that I have a lifted look, because the eyes are gonna be lifted, so we need to make sure that the blush is lifted as well so that it matches the whole aesthetic. I'm gonna place it and then blend. I'm going to create my brow shape off camera. I already have a high arch, but hers, she had a very high arch because she was known to remove part of her eyebrow off and draw them back in her preferred shape. I'm not committed to that, and I could, if I wanted to, glue my eyebrows down and apply a lot of makeup on there, but we're not gonna do that today. No drag makeup today. We're going to work with what we've got. So if you're following this tutorial, just work with the eyebrow shape that you have. We're going to more focus on the eyeliner and the eyeshadow that she is known for. And just so you are aware, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil in soft brown. I'm going to brush my brows up a little bit. Nice. Sophia had different variations of this eyeliner look. Sometimes she would wear it with a smoky eye, as you can see here, with a darker shadow of gray. And other times she would leave it with a basic shadow, a very light wash of gray, or sometimes without anything at all on the lid, and just maintain the eyeliner shape that she was best known for. In this tutorial, you can go for a very natural eyeshadow application, or you can go a little bit heavier if you want to customize it for yourself. It all comes down to what you're comfortable with wearing and your preference. Also keep in mind your eye shapes. I'm going to be dipping into the Lorac eyeshadow palette. This is a charcoal gray. You can use whichever charcoal gray you have in your collection. Starting to apply the high concentration of color on the lid. Gonna evenly distribute the shade, and once that is complete, we're going to start to create the cat eye effect. It's a cat eye shape. Like I said, you customize if you want a light wash or a very dramatic wash of color. I'm very comfortable with going a little bit more into a daring, dark, dramatic shade, as she would wear for special occasions. I'm okay with it. And I'm just layering the product again with the same color. It's the same gray shade. What's great about a gray color and eyeshadow is that you can layer it and create a light wash, or you can go very deep with the color and intensify it with a black eyeshadow color. I will be showing you that very soon. Take that pencil brush, gonna dip it in the same charcoal shade and start to create that cat eye. I am definitely going with my eye shape. I'm following my lower lash line. You can see that's the stopping point. of the wing liner. So if you want to pause this video and just find out exactly where your waterline stops so you can create a measurement of where you want to place your cat eye, do so. I've already completed the eye shape, starting from the inner corner, working my way to the outer corner. Keeping in mind, I am customizing this look based on my eye shape, and you should take that into consideration as well. We all have different eye shapes and we are all beautiful in our own way. So remember to customize this for your own face shape, for your own eye shape. Know that you're going to be enhancing your natural beauty. So if it doesn't look exactly like Sophia Loren, don't worry, you are your own glamorous version of a siren. Before we move on to the following step, we're going to repeat that same exact application on the opposite side. See you there. Remember to follow the lower lash line. We still need to keep that space there. So exactly where your lower lash line ends, that's exactly where you want the eyeshadow to end, because remember, we're placing a white or cream color to widen the eye shape, okay? Don't forget that. Once you've completed that step, you're going to use a black eyeshadow color and just place this black eyeshadow close to your lash line. Do not exceed that. Do not go towards your crease whatsoever. I will tell you why in a few seconds. Take a clean pencil brush and very gently blend the top of the gray color that you created. Very gently blend the top portion of your shape. This side is starting to blend, this side is not blended whatsoever. You see the difference? Now grab your favorite liquid or gel eyeliner. This is from the brand LA Colors. I get this from the dollar store and it's my favorite eyeliner. I've used MAC, I've used everything that you can think of, and this one is the best. Now you're gonna create a wing liner following the guide that you created with the eyeshadow shape. You see that shape? You're going to use that as a guide to create the eyeliner shape. How easy is that? Don't forget to also apply that cat liner on the inner corner as well. All right, so the following step is to wait for this eyeliner to dry. As our eyeliner is drying, we can start getting ready for the next step, which is grabbing the pencil brush and your palette and start dipping into the black eyeshadow that you have. Actually going to be changing what I'm using. I'm going to be using from Juvia's Place, the Saharan. This shade right here, you're going to place the black eyeshadow on top of the liner and you're going to blend it into the gray. So this side is blended with the black eyeshadow and this is not blended. You see the difference? Exactly. Want it to look seamless, okay? My favorite part is using the white. You can use white if you have white, and if you have beige, you can use beige. But this is my favorite part. Take the Balms Mr. Right Now eyeliner in the shade Brian. Place the eyeliner right underneath the cat eye shape. Look at the difference between this side and this side. You see how it even creates more definition with the cat eye. Just apply it on the waterline, on the outer corner of the eye. You see the difference? Your liquid liner or your gel liner, and create a line that starts from the outer corner of your waterline and then it meets the cat eye that you created with your eyeshadow. This is a rough draft. There's another step following this. Repeat that same step on the opposite side. Look like this. The Sephora Ultimate Gel Eyeliner in black. You can use whichever pencil liner that you prefer. Apply the pencil liner on the inner corner of the waterline all the way to the middle of the waterline, and be very careful to maintain the shape of what you created with your liquid liner. So you just end it there because we have to blend this out with a little bit of eyeshadow. Remember that you have to customize it based on your eye shape. I had to extend the lash line a little bit more to accentuate my lash line. based on my eye shape. Your pencil brush, whatever's left from your previous step, and just go along the outer corner of the eye shape, blending the liner. You see the difference between this side and this side? Have fun. Ensure to apply mascara on the top and on the bottom lash line. Be very careful not to apply on the outer portion of the lash line. Now feel free to apply your eyelashes. I will be applying my eyelashes off camera. Now that the lashes are applied, I'm going to grab my MAC lip liner in the color Boldly Bare and find a nice neutral lip color. Just gonna apply it. Ooh. This is the L'Oreal lipstick in the color 105. It matches the nude that she has in the picture. Just look for a nice neutral shade that goes with your skin tone. That should be fine for this look. It's all about customizing it so that it looks good on you. It's to enhance your natural beauty. We're just inspired by Sophia Loren. Now that the makeup is done, now I could take my hair down. If you want to learn how I extend my blowout to last the whole week, I have a video on my page. It is so much fun. I also have a hair tutorial on how I blow out my hair. I have extra curly hair and I use the Dyson to blow out my hair and it lasts a whole week. Even the curls last a week, so check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching my Sophia Loren makeup tutorial. Again, this is going to look different on different people because we all have different eye shapes, beautiful face shapes. Every feature that you have is beautiful and this makeup is going to enhance that. Thank you so much for watching. Ensure you're following me on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can help my channel grow by sharing this video with others, liking my content. Visit my page for hair, skin, and makeup tutorials. I post daily. Have an incredible day, everybody.